Today we're diving into a phone that's got the rumor mill buzzing like crazy, the Asus Zenfone 13 Ultra. Now before we get started, keep in mind this is based on the latest leaks and insider info, so things could change. But if what we're hearing is true, this phone is going to be an absolute monster. First up, the design. Asus seems to be going for a super sleek, modern, and unapologetically premium look. We're talking a flagship build that feels substantial in your hand. No cheap plastic, just pure, refined power. It's the kind of phone that makes a statement without shouting. But what's a beautiful phone without the brains to back it up? Under the hood, the Zenfone 13 Ultra is expected to pack a next-generation chipset, a true powerhouse. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. We're talking about a beastly octa-core CPU that will chew through anything you throw at it. Think high-end gaming at max settings, heavy multitasking without a single stutter, and running demanding creative apps like it's nothing. This is top-tier performance, plain and simple. To support that processor, Asus is reportedly offering two beefy RAM options, 12GB or a massive 16GB. Couple that with storage choices of either 256GB or 512GB, and you've got more than enough space for all your apps, photos, videos, and your entire digital life, really. No more worrying about offloading files to make room. Now, let's talk about that screen, because it sounds incredible. We're looking at a huge 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. The resolution is rumored to be 2.4K, which means everything is going to look incredibly sharp and detailed. But the real star of the show is that buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through your feed, swiping between apps, and especially gaming will feel unbelievably fluid and responsive. Plus, for that clean, futuristic vibe, it's expected to feature an under-display optical fingerprint scanner. It's fast, secure, and keeps the design seamless. Of course, we have to talk about cameras. The Zenfone 13 Ultra is rumored to feature a triple-lens rear camera system. While we don't have the exact megapixel counts yet, expect a versatile setup that's heavily boosted by AI enhancements. This means smarter scene recognition. Keeping all this hardware running is a seriously chunky 6000 mAh battery. So, when can you get your hands on it? And how much will it cost? The expected launch window is sometime late 2025 or early 2026.